Hey guys, it's me Golda again, and today I did that as my new intro, so I hope you like it. Please subscribe if you love this intro. Anyways, let's play some. I am gonna play some Club Penguin, Animal Jam, and I'm gonna be giving away some accounts. So this is the first one. It's a new jammer, by the way. The user is Rosie649 and the password is gold123. The second one is Jammer3386Z and the password is, one second, let me just find the password. I'm gonna pause it and sorry about that. The password is dude09. Dude09. There's a girl one called it's called Jammer5687F and the password is Golda123. Those are the accounts that I'm doing. By the way, they're only non-members, but I hope you like them. Let me just I can't show you them because I can't hold this any longer. Anyways, there's a member bonus. Anyways, there's a new animal gem coming, the Heartstone of it. Not the Heartstone, a new animal coming. It's a letter from the alphas. Okay. Anyways, please comment, rate, share, subscribe, and bye.